Welcome, today I am with Anker SoundCore Boost speaker and I want to show you how you can connect this speaker to your Android smartphone. So the first, you have to turn on your speaker, tap once on this power button. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see right now, this button lights up to the blue. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to open notification panel on our smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on this icon. And now take a look on available devices. When the SoundCore Boost pops on the screen, you have to tap on it once and then click pair. As you can see, that was very simple, but we got also second method how to connect by using NFC model. It appears right here. So let me just unpair, disconnect and forget this device, and enable NFC. And take a look right now. So we have to put NFC model of our smartphone to this place one more time. Click yes. Click pair. And as you can see, we are also connected. So I can open YouTube, for example, and show you that everything is fine. So as you can hear, the sound comes from the speaker. And that's how you can connect your Android smartphone to the Anker SoundCore Boost speaker in the two different methods by using Bluetooth and NFC model. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.